YSR Jagan Mohan Reddy was supporting Telangana one day, now he goes on fast for a united Andhra. The Congress has also been trying to reach out to the TRS to save its base in Telangana and is worried because it will be destroyed in Andhra Pradesh otherwise. You are also now playing the politics. You have shared a platform with Narendra Modi and the BJP, a party which has committed itself to Telangana. Yet today you are going on fast, allegedly for a united Andhra. All of you are playing with fire. All of you are playing vote bank politics.
No, you are thoroughly mistaken. Those who are in government, they have to sort out the problem amicably. They have to give correct solution.
So the two major national parties, Mr. Naidu, the two major national parties, BJP and Congress, are now supporting Telangana.
No, what I am asking, is it not their responsibility to solve the concerned problems, which are all genuine? Is it not the responsibility of the nation to sort out the problems of Semandra?
I take it. Sir, I take your point. Why didn't you say all this several months ago? Why were you silent then? Why have you suddenly woken up to
from the beginning. No, from the beginning I am saying it is justice has to be done. In the recent past, I came with a delegation of both the areas.
Right.
Call both JACs.
Yes.
And also all stakeholders. You discuss with them. Decide amicably. That is what I am demanding from the beginning.
Okay. I'm going to ask you this. You have where will Chandrababu Naidu in this election only go along with a party which supports the cause of a united Andhra? You have already distanced yourself clearly from the Congress over the years. You are anti-Congress, but many thought you are moving close to the BJP, one party that has come also in support of Telangana. What is going to be your stand as the elections approach? Are you looking at a third front? Are you looking at a third front? Are you looking to reach out to BJP? What is going to be your politics now?
No, I am saying very clearly this is not the time to discuss about politics. We can discuss politics at the appropriate time. State is burning. That is the important issue now.
So the state is burning because all you politicians, sir, I am sorry to intervene, but the state is burning because every Andhra politician is playing politics.
No, you are also having a role,
including yourself, is playing politics, whether Congress, whether it's TDP, whether it's TRS. That is why the state is burning and the people are being
No, what I am saying, you have to understand one thing.
Yes.
There are politics. At the same time, above politics, there is a state. There are people. We have to look after them. You cannot play pretty politics and also treacherous politics.
Okay.
That is what I am saying.
Sir, I am going to ask you one last time. You have been quoted in the past as saying that you were ready for the formation of a separate state of Telangana. Why have you today done a U-turn?
No, it is very clear. Congress party is having match fixing. While having match fixing, they wanted to ditch Semandra people. It is not correct. What they are doing is totally wrong.
Yes.
They burned their party in Semandra.
Yes.
And also they promoted Jagan Mohan Reddy to get a hatred vote. Is it right? Politics. I am not saying this. Congress people are saying in Semandra. That is what I am saying.
And you are playing the Semandra card now. You played the Telangana card several months ago. Now you are playing the Semandra card. This is the kind of politics that is being played.
I am playing Telugu people card. You have to understand one thing.
So you believe that Telugu people should be one? You believe that Telugu people should not be divided? You believe Telugu people should not be divided?
No, but I am saying they must have a peace. No, that is not the issue. They must have a peace. And at the same time, amicable solution we have to give. Justice has to be done both the areas.
Is the amicable solution a united Andhra or a divided Andhra?
No, what I am saying, you have to listen to them. In democracy, you won't listen to anybody.
So
where are you going?
You want a referendum?
Is it not the responsibility of central government to call both areas?
You want a referendum or you want an all-party meeting? You want a referendum or an all-party meeting?
No, not only that. No, what I am saying, you can understand one thing. As on today, who is deciding all these things? Delhi leaders. There are no leaders in Andhra Pradesh. Earlier, how they have done all the divisions, they used to take confidence of everybody.
Right.
Even there are political parties, there are respected people. You have to call them. There are agitations going on. JAs are there. You discuss with them.
Okay. Chandrababu Naidu, you know, I still don't know where you stand, unfortunately, at the end of the day. You are saying people's issues should be addressed. The people of Telangana want a separate state. The people of Semandra want a united Andhra. How do you resolve this problem? The two sides want two different solutions.
No, whenever there is a conflict, what I am saying, there is a conflict. You have to call both. Discuss with them, not once. 4 or 5 times, 10 times, then you can do it. Otherwise, there will be a revolution, or with the frustration, they will do as they like.
Okay.
That is what happened in past in so many states.
So you're saying that this situation could now spiral out of control if this kind of politics is played. But at the same time, many, Mr. Naidu, will say every Andhra politician today is playing with fire. I appreciate your joining us and talking to us here.
No, you are thoroughly mistaken. You are not right, Rajdeep.
Yes.
I am telling you, I am not going anything. I am saying, is it not the responsibility of the nation? Is it not the responsibility of all political parties to sort out a problem?
Okay.
If you won't sort it out, what is going to happen? Yeah, as on today, CM Andhra is burning.
Okay.
Tomorrow it will burn completely. Can you endorse all these things? That is what I am asking.
Aren't all of you playing vote bank politics, Mr. Naidu? Aren't all of you playing vote bank politics?
No,
you are playing with the sentiments of the people.
No, you are thoroughly mistaken, Mr. Rajdeep. When I was CM, I lost power because of doing right things. You must know that power sector.
Okay.
I brought reforms for the sake of the country. Because of that free power, Congress has won. I have lost power. But that doesn't matter.
I am going to ask you, Mr. Naidu, one last time. All these dramatic fasts, all these agitations, are they going to solve the problems of the people of Andhra Pradesh? They are not going to solve the people of Andhra Pradesh until you stop playing politics.
No, what I am saying, politicians only can give solutions. You have to understand. Because Sonia Gandhi is having power, she created all problems. So I came here to handle that. In Delhi, they have done all these things. State is burning. From Delhi, I want to find out a solution for this problem.
Okay.
You come, as Rajdeep, as a mediator, you come, you sort out both problems. I will be very happy for that.
Mr. Naidu, you haven't still told me whether you are pro or anti-Telangana. I've interviewed you now for over 10 minutes. I still don't know where you stand. Are you pro or anti-Telangana? Are you pro or anti-Telangana?
No, you are not choosing your children, which side you belongs to.
But you chose your children in October 2008 when you came out in support of Telangana. Suddenly you have said that you believe...
No, I told very clearly, sort out the problem, not to create problem.
Okay. Mr. Chandrababu Naidu?
I told them to sort out the problem. They created a problem.
Okay, you believe that the Congress has created the problem. They have to sort out the problem.
Yes. 100% they have created a problem. It is their responsibility to sort out the problem.
Okay. Chandrababu Naidu, appreciate your joining us here on CNN IBN. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That was Chandrababu Naidu, former Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. We still don't know where he stands really on Telangana. Let's take a break, come back with much more news on Good Afternoon India.